Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, July 10th. What we see here in the Russell is a market that traded above its buy level. We talked about the overall structure here, which I call a non-symmetrical pullback in the advanced video, and we're seeing the first step in that structure. But we got a ways to go. The dollar difference that sell down to that buy level here in the Russell, just to give you a reference, that's $2,300 a contract. We look at the dollar, I'm surprised that the US dollar, let me go back to that. There we go, is weaker against these currencies. Here's the British pound getting stronger. How about that? It's not what's expected. And can we close that way on Friday? Ooh, that'll send us a different message. And you and I will talk about that when the time is right. When we look at the Canadian dollar, it also traded just below its sell level. Dollar difference there was $80 a contract. And when we think about what's going on with copper, this is a market that's firming up. Demand is there now. Friday is going to be important. We need to see a commitment to direction, and that would be a strong close. If it doesn't, it gives us a whole different message, and we'll explore that too. But when we look at corn, it's slowing down. It is backing off. I think here we have the potential for a positive close going into the weekend. So if you're short that market, be careful uh, through Friday's action. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.